Hello everyone, welcome back. This lesson is an introduction to adjectives. Let's get started. What is an adjective? Let's have a look. An adjective describes a noun. An adjective can be a feeling, sound, odor, texture, color, shape, size, weather, or taste. Some adjectives that describe a feeling are happy, sad, shy, and scared. Some adjectives that describe the weather are rainy, cold, windy, sunny. Some adjectives that describe a sound are loud, quiet, noisy, silent. Now let's use these adjectives in sentences. It was a rainy day. The thunder made a loud sound. I was scared. Can you tell me what the adjectives are? What kind of day was it? That's right, rainy. What kind of sound did the thunder make? That's right, loud. How did you feel? You got it, scared. The adjectives here are rainy, loud, and scared. Well done. We were happy. It was a sunny day. We were ready to go to the noisy park. Can you find 3 adjectives? Go ahead. That's right. Happy, sunny, and noisy. Great work. Colors are also adjectives. Red, green, orange, yellow. Some adjectives that are textures are sticky, sharp, smooth, soft. Some adjectives that describe a shape are small, large, thin, and tall. Now let's use these adjectives in sentences. Lisa loved her little blanket. It was soft and pink. Can you tell me what the adjectives are? What kind of blanket was it? That's it. It was little, soft, and pink. These are all describing the blanket. These are all adjectives. While eating his large red popsicle, Johnny's hands became very sticky. He needed to wash them. Can you find 3 adjectives? Go ahead. You got it. Large, red, and sticky are adjectives. Some adjectives that describe taste are sour, salty, bitter, and sweet. Some adjectives that describe an odor are fresh, smelly, stinky, flowery. Now let's use these adjectives in sentences. The grapes were sour, but the strawberries smelled fresh. Can you tell me what the adjectives are? What did the grapes taste like? That's right, sour. How did the strawberries smell? You got it. Fresh, sour, and fresh are both adjectives. The smelly socks smelled fresh after they were washed. Can you find 2 adjectives? Go ahead. That's it. Smelly and fresh are both adjectives. That is all for now. You did great. I will see you again soon. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what an adjective is. I know that an adjective describes a noun. I can recognize adjectives in simple sentences.